What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. As you saw in the title, today we will be installing the RPM mud flaps and the RPM bumper, because you need the bumper to have the mud flaps, because the mud flaps don't go with the Traxxas bumper, so you have to have the RPM one. I got the old bumper off, only like 2 screws, and now we just have to assemble the RPM bumper, and it comes with the directions, so you know how to do it. Super easy, and then we can install it. Got the RPM bumper all installed or put together, and now we're going to install it. Have how many screws? 4 screws left to put this baby on, and then we can move on to the mud flaps. I just learned for this to work, you have to take the centerpiece out of this for this to go on, because if you look, if I try and put this on right here, it's way too wide. Like that just doesn't work. It would have to be like this or this. And so we have to take the centerpiece out of that, put it back on, and then then we can put the bumper on. Now that the bumper is all installed, now we can install the mud flaps, and already the bumper looks way better than the stock one. Got the rear bumper and the mud flaps all installed, and the rear bumper does sit a little crooked, but I haven't really figured it out yet, but I'll figure it out. It looks pretty sick. It'll look even cooler when it's rolling. I might take them off during dune season so it can throw a gnarly sand roost with the paddle tires, but for now they're staying on. They look super sick. It looks more of like a short course truck now with mud flaps. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Hope you learned something on installing the rear bumper and mud flaps. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.